Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Shopify to Claude AI. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This setup allows you to interact with your store using natural language and perform tasks directly through Claude. Start by opening Claude and signing into your account. Once you're inside, click on your profile and open Settings. From there, go to the Connectors section and then click on Customize. Here, search for Shopify. If didn't appear, click on Browse Connectors to show the available integrations. In the connector list, search for Shopify. You should see the Shopify connector available as an integration option. Click Add, and you'll be redirected to the Shopify connection page. Select the store you want to connect. If you manage multiple stores, choose the correct one from the list. After selecting it, click Install to begin the setup process. During installation, Shopify will display the permissions Claude is requesting. These permissions may include access to customer information, products, inventory details, and editing capabilities. Once connected, you can open the connector settings and manage how permissions work. For example, you can configure actions to require approval before Claude performs specific tasks. This allows you to approve requests individually instead of granting permanent access. Using one-time approval can provide more control over store changes. After setup is complete, open a new chat and test the integration. You can create prompts such as creating a new product draft in Shopify with a name and description. When Claude attempts an action that changes store content, you may receive a permission request. You can approve the task once or allow future access depending on your preference. Now, go back to your Shopify store and open the Products section. Here, you can see that the product has been added successfully. If you open the product, you will also notice that it includes a short description. Now, you can go back to Claude and ask it to update the product further, such as adding a price. For example, you can type something like "add a price to this product." After waiting for a few moments, go back to your Shopify store and refresh the page. As you can see, the price has now been added exactly as requested through Claude. You can also upload a product picture if you want to make the listing more complete. Beyond product creation, you can also use the connection for store analysis and management. For example, you can ask Claude to summarize sales activity, identify top-selling products, review low inventory items for restocking, or analyze customer purchasing behavior. These features can help streamline store management and save time when working with your Shopify data. And that's it. So that's basically how you can connect Shopify to Claude AI. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.